Lenovo Yoga 9i. IT Gallery Lenovo Experience Store. The Lenovo Yoga 9i slick metal design, high-end features, and killer battery life make it a serious contender among premium convertible notebooks. An unparalleled entertainment experience. Designed on the Intel Evo platform. The peak of entertainment and multitasking to meet all your needs. Powerful processing drives first-class performance that you can enjoy in 4 different modes. Whether you are hard at work or relaxing with your friends, enjoy premium viewing up to 4K resolution on an OLED screen and stylus pen support, pen included. Take a revolutionary leap into real-world hybrid performance with Intel Evo platform. Now powered by up to a 12th Gen Intel Core i7 processor, which distributes processing power to where you need it most. From streaming to browsing to photo and video editing and more, experience the performance boost you need for your most significant breakthroughs. Ports: 1x USB-A 3.2 Gen 2, 1x USB-C 3.2 Gen 2, data transfer, power delivery 3.0, and DisplayPort 1.4. (2x Thunderbolt 4), data transfer, power delivery 3.0, and DisplayPort 1.4, 1x headphone, microphone combo jack, 3.5mm. (14.0 inches WQUXGA, 3840 by 2400, OLED, glossy, touchscreen with Dolby Vision, True Black, HDR, 400 nits, 16:10 aspect ratio. The Yoga 9i's newly integrated FHDIR hybrid webcam with privacy shutter and facial login keeps things secure. Keyboard: edge-to-edge keyboard with glass touchpad. One-click function keys. The spacious multi-finger glass touchpad. The Yoga 9i convertible laptop creates an unprecedented level of audio immersion with Dolby Atmos, bolstered by Bowers & Wilkins speakers, providing the most authentic and distortion-free sound available in the industry. Enjoy the Yoga's signature 4 modes as you create, play, produce, and perform with the Yoga 9i 14 Intel convertible laptop. Enjoy immersive entertainment in tent mode. Explore and create with freedom in tablet mode. Optimize productivity in laptop mode. And present like a pro or share a good show in presentation mode. Fully optimize your yoga experience with features like the one-click function keys, a larger touchpad with more clickable area, and touchscreen functionality. Perfect for the full-size stylus pen with tilt capabilities. Additionally, 2 Thunderbolt 4.0 ports and an SD card reader give you the ability to transfer data in a snap and get the most out of the Windows 11 experience. Battery: Up to 23 hours, local 1080p playback.